them 10 stars in Mexico, boy?
Hey! Hey! What's all the nonsense?
You don't release me now, 12 angry Mexicans is gonna ride through this town, burn it all to hell.
Keep your distance. We've got business here.
Only lock me up if you want
just
this
passing
town to
through.
burn, Sheriff.
Don't mind me.
We do not respond amicably to threats. What's the charge?
He was robbing a stage.
Then the sentence is death.
Hey,
Make your
no!
peace,
The boy was
partner.
gonna put me in cell!
This is wartime, and like you said,
No!
we can't take the risk.
Sheriff?
Okay. From now on, trials are going to be quick, and justice even quicker. We will not submit to these lawless gangs. Get this trash out of town. Where there's one Del Lobo, there'll be more.
Yes, sir. Sheriff.
Now you can be a help or hindrance. You want to help? Follow me in. I was hoping you was the obliging kind. I didn't want to be this varietal of sheriff, but the situation demands it. Just take that bounty poster there and you'll find out. These fellas is known as the Del Lobo gang, meaning of the wolf in the Mexican tongue. I only wish they was that civilized. Joaquin Arroyo. Word is he's up at Solomon's Folly. These Del Lobos been killing, stealing, torturing, and tormenting the good people of this region for too long. Only good one's a dead one. Except if they know a thing or two, and I believe this one does. You bring him here, I'll have a few words, and then I'll send him to St. Peter. You have my sworn oath on that.
This bounty. Alive seems a pretty big ask for one of these Del Lobos.
It is a pretty big ask, and that's a pretty big price. If you're worried about justice, he won't be alive for long after you walk him through that door.
I'm gonna ride across the desert, bring you a bounty just so you can kill him.
God, no. I'll converse with him first. But after that, things will move real swift around here. Ours ain't a hanging judge, you'll see. He's the I'm with you whatever kind.
I got everything I need, except this bounty.
I'd rather nothing befell that varmint. Justice will be mine.
Don't you got it good?
You have the authority of this office. Don't be mistaken.
If you can cook it, I said it. Get
Don't move on me, girl.
can't kill the kid. Joaquin vouched for him.
If Joaquin Arroyo was here, he'd use his own knife on the little squeaker.
Oh, Dios mío! Dios mío! Dios mío!
He ain't one of us. You have a trencher while we kill him, bleed him. Here!
I ain't about to get killed just because you second guess someone wrong.
No, you about to get killed because you don't got cojones.
Think about this.
Let's think about it.
Who are you and what's your business?
Joaquin Arroyo!
Joaquin's not here! Please, he's not here!
Everything's okay. Just tell me where he is.
Hop on the tracks! They're robbing the train!
Get out of here before I change my mind.
Oh, thank you. Gracias, senor.
Let's see here. Come on, then. Who's a good horse? Good girl. Nice filly. Hey, miss. Yes, missy. Hey, over there. Which one of you's Joaquin Arroyo?
Arroyo, Arroyo, run!
You tell him my name.
¡Los cerramos, malditos! ¡Órale!
Just try and get close enough. Come on, vaquero.
No, you don't. Okay.
Damn you. Damn your bounty.
Royal, someone wants to have a talk with you. Come on, then.
You dumb bastard. Do you know who I am? You'll die for this. You're gonna die slow. And you're gonna die hurting. I'm going to watch them do it.
You have a fine imagination, Arroyo. I'll grant you that. Girl.
I'll have every del Lobo in Austin come looking for me. We are an army, a legion. You hear those horses? Those...
Better hurry on up. Tumbleweed Sheriff is real quick to execute.
You know that the Lobos? Hey, we killed and we burned all the way across the country. You should be scared. You should be quaking in your boots, vaquero. They'll take your ears, they'll take your nose.
None of you gave me no trouble yet.
going to take the bounty poster. I'm going to shove it down your mouth, and I'm going to burn you alive, mister. You...
Save your nonsense for the sheriff. Good girl. I'm proud of you. Here we are. Our time together is almost at an end.
I'm going to see you again, mister. Believe me there.
You're coming with me. Sheriff, you looking for Joaquin Arroyo?
I ordered him. Didn't have much hope of seeing him, though. Put him in the cell.
You couldn't come get me, sheriff? You yellow belly, you coward. You sent some vaquero.
I could have come after you, Arroyo, but it's so damn hot out there, I didn't want to sweat.
My friends, they're gonna come for you.
Then they'll die, too. Now save some breath for my questions, boy. That's the bounty, as agreed.
Precious meats, best prices. Come on now.
Someone's got to do it.
We need good folks like you down here. Should be another wretch upon the wall any day now.
There. I love you, lady.